Hello guys, let me show you a new production that we are preparing now. Size 56 centimeter and 80 centimeters here. Most amazing is the weight. 3.2 with the packaging. Inside we're holding with the nylon bags that you can hold easily. Now let's see without cartoon how much the weight we have here. 2.5 kilo. The color can be customized any color you like. Now we'll make it like a wood design that's closer to the nature feeling. And the capacity of this table is over 50 kilos. Now let me show you how it works. It can hold more, but that's what we got. Actually, the weight is something like this. One finger can carry it. Kids can carry it easily. That's the weight. Option for the picnic, outdoors, or any situation you need. And also this production have a very strong anti-UV and anti-rusty. You can hold it in a yard at least years without any problem. Second production in the 30 centimeters. The lump it's about, let's say, 89. 3.4 kilo. Let's see the weight. At least for 4 people could be sitting together. 4 or 6 people. And also easy to float it. And the total weight of the product, like this, 2.5. Look at the capacity of it with only 2.5 kilo. This is the start for the production. In the future, we can really flexible to adjusting the production design, size, how it floated, and height adjustable. All the functional requirement. You're welcome to consulting with us. Thank you.